Pinagkaguluhan ng mga star player ng Indiana Pacers at Houston Rockets sa NBA Media Day kahapon. Samantala sa Surigao del Norte naman, dinayo ang Black Beach kung saan ginanap ang National Skimboarding Competition. News to go si Chino Trinidad.
Sa ika-6 na National Skimboarding Challenge, dinayo ng mga skimboarders ang pamosong Black Beach sa Bacuag, Surigao del Norte. Bawat isa nagpakitang gilas sa pagbalanse sa alon at sa kanilang mga skimboards. Meron pang invitational beach volleyball na nilahukan ng mga manlalaro mula sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Mindanao. Matapos naman dumayo sa San Andres Bukid sa Maynila ang mga old stars ng Indiana Pacers at Houston Rockets, pinagkaguluhan naman ang NBA contingent sa binansagang NBA Media Day. Agaw atensyon ang bagong mukha ng Indiana Pacers na si Paul George na bagong pirma lang ng maximum contract.
I'm not coming into this year knowing that I have to play well to get everything out of my contract. You know, I'm coming into this year to continue to keep doing what got me my contract, and that was the hard work and putting the time in and, you know, making sure I'm a professional for this team.
Ang NBA legend at ngayon Pacers president na si Larry Bird, hands-on naman sa pagtuturo sa power forward ni si David West.
You got to be humble enough to understand that there are people that came before you that, had skills and have things that you can use. So more often than not, you have to be a better listener.
At gaya ng inaasahan, pinagkaguluhan si Jeremy Lin. Ito namang si NBA superstar Dwight Howard na bagong salta sa Rockets, nagkwento sa GMA News ng pinagdaanan niya sa pag-alis niya sa Lakers.
A lot of people understand the severity of a back injury, and they just pay attention to the negative. With the injury I had, it takes some time to really heal from it, not just physically but mentally.
Nagbigay ng libreng kaalaman ng Pacers sa mga batang Pasay, kasamang staff ng Rockets sa pagbahagi nila ng kaalaman sa mga Pinoy coaches.
Awesome to come to a place like this that really respects and takes in the game and knows everybody through 1 through 15 on your roster, and the cab driver last night knew everybody on our team.
Chino Trinidad, GMA News.